Hello student. Exercise 2.2, question number 9. In the last lecture we have discussed the same type of question of exercise 2.2. I think so you have done question number 1 to 8. Now we are going for a example 9. Tan inverse x by under root a square minus x square. We have to simplify it. So now let x equal to a sin theta. X equal to a sin theta. So due to that we can simplify under root a square minus x square. So now a square minus x square is equal to a square minus a square sin square theta. Taking a square common, 1 minus sin square theta, a square cos square theta, and this is a square minus x square. And now under root a square minus x square is a cos theta. Substitute that value in the given question. So now tan inverse x by under root a square minus x square. Tan inverse x is a sin theta and a square minus x square is a cos theta. A cancel, tan inverse sin upon cos is tan theta. Let's say it is 1. Now condition is given here, minus a less than x less than a. Divide by a. So minus 1 x by a less than plus 1. Now what is x by a? Here x by a is sin theta. So minus 1 is sin pi by 2 and x by a is sin theta and this is plus sin pi by 2. So can we write it is minus pi by 2. Sin is increasing function, so we have minus pi by 2 theta less than pi by 2. Pi by 2 less than theta less than minus pi by 2 less than theta less than pi by 2. So theta lying in the domain or range of the tan inverse minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So by 1 and 2 we can say that tan inverse and tan will cancel, answer will be theta. So by 1 and 2 answer will be theta. And for here theta is equal to, so means sin theta is x by a and theta is sin inverse x by a. So theta equal to sin inverse x by a. This is the answer. Now for 10th one. Tan inverse 3x a square minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square, where minus a by root 3 less than x less than a by root 3. So here let x cube equal to a cube tan cube theta, or x by a equal to tan theta, or x equal to a tan theta. X equal to a tan theta. So what happened? X by a equal to tan theta. Now substitute that value. Tan inverse 3 x a square minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square. Tan inverse 3 x equal to a square means a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta upon a cube minus 3a cube tan square theta. Tan inverse. Taking a cube common from numerator and denominator. A cube common. A cube common and cancel it. So what will happen? 3 tan theta, tan cube theta, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. And this is the formula of tan 3 theta. Say it is 1. Now we have to check 3 theta lying between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. For that, we have given the condition here minus a by root 3 less than x less than a by root 3 divide by a, because x by a is tan theta. Now what is the value of tan for a minus 1 by root 3? So it is tan minus pi by 6 less than tan theta less than tan pi by 6, and tan is always increasing function. In every quadrant tan is increasing function. So minus pi by 6 less than theta less than pi by 6. Just you have to remember that sine and tan, there is no change in the inequality. Sine and tan, no change in inequality. Cos has a reverse inequality. Cos is a decreasing function in fourth and first quadrant, first and second quadrant. So cos has a reverse inequality, tan and sine has a same inequality. Now multiply with 3, so we get 3 theta. So minus pi by 2 less than 3 theta less than pi by 2, say it is 2 by 1 and 2. So by 1 and 2, what will we get? Tan inverse cancel, answer will be 3 theta and 3. Theta is tan inverse x by a. Got it? Let's next example. 11th question. Find the values. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So substitute the value, nothing else. 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Now tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. Tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. 2 cancel, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Here 12th one, cot inverse a plus tan inverse a. Cot inverse a plus tan inverse a is pi by 2. It's a formula. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. And cot pi by 2 is 0. 13th one. Simplify. Tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Where x less than 1, y greater than 0 and xy less than 1. Modulus x less than 1, y greater than 0 and modulus xy less than 1. It's a most IMP question. Now see, What we have given? 10, 1 by 2, tan inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. For that we have to simplify these two terms separately. So here sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Simplify it, as well as cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Okay. Now, let x equal to tan theta. Theta equal to tan inverse x. Substitute in the value sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Sin inverse, this is the value of sin 2 theta. Sin and sin cancel, answer will be 2 theta, 2, and theta equal to tan inverse x. That means it has a value 2 tan inverse x. Similarly, let here y equal to tan beta, y equal to tan beta. So beta equal to tan inverse y. So now the question, cos inverse 1 minus y square 1 plus y square, cos inverse 1 minus tan square beta upon 1 plus tan square beta. We have substituting this value y equal to tan beta in this our original question. So what happened? 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square is cos 2 beta. Formula of cos 2 theta in terms of tan. Cos cancel, answer is 2 beta, and 2 beta is equal to tan inverse y. Beta equal to tan inverse y. So now this is the value of cos inverse. Now our question, tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square, tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x plus it is 2 tan inverse y. Taking 2 common and cancel. So what happened? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is formula for given condition xy less than 1. That means it is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is cancel. Answer will be x plus y upon 1 minus xy. It's the simplified the form of the given question. Got it? Next question. See, 14th question. If sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1, then find the value of x. Here sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x equal to 1. If this sign is we are taking on the right hand side, then what happened? It is sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x equal to sin inverse 1, and sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. So it is sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now, if sin inverse x, we know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. That means these two must be same for sin and cos. Then and only then the addition of that is equal to pi by 2. That means here sum of that is pi by 2. That means x is 1 by 5, nothing else. It is a IMP for a MCQ. Clear? Now 15 question is somewhat lengthy, so we will discuss in the next lecture. Now 16, 17, 18 and 19, 20, 21 are the MCQs. So just find the values like that. So trigonometric functions value we have to substitute and we can get the answer. So now remaining all the question of exercise 2.2 you can do easily, and you have to complete miscellaneous exercise 2 question number 1 to 8. 9 onwards we will discuss in a next lecture. See you soon. Bye bye.